Hi there folks, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the best sky add-on for Blender, known as Physical Starlight and Atmosphere by the folks at Physical Addons. This is the most popular sky add-on for Blender, with over 14,000 happy customers. This add-on is used by many studios such as Ubisoft, KTM, 343 Industries, Embark Studios, and even NASA's 3D artists use it. It is setting the new industry standard for lighting and real-time interactivity with the atmosphere. This versatile add-on offers pre-made presets to save time and effort, providing a list of ready-to-use settings that can instantly transform your scene and serve as a starting point for further customization. Talking of customization, it boasts a wide array of customization options. You can change the size, temperature, and position of the sun in the sky. You also have the option to add binary sun, which you can use for sci-fi renders. In the atmosphere section, you can play with density, light scattering colors, and a few more options that will help you create a unique atmosphere. You can choose to add texture-based stars and procedural stars, same for the clouds, but you get a lot more control over them. And a few more panels for object fog, ground settings, and artistic controls for more atmosphere refinement. With the use of keyframes, you can effortlessly animate each element, breathing life into your scenes and creating a dynamic atmosphere that captivates viewers. Another plus is its compatibility with both Eevee and Cycles rendering engines. Furthermore, its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to beginners, enabling them to easily produce stunning visuals. In summary, if you're looking to integrate real-time skies into your Blender projects, Physical Starlight and Atmosphere is the perfect add-on for you. I will give the link to this add-on and to a complete tutorial of it in the description below. And there you have it. You can also check my previous video on the best Blender add-ons in 2024. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.